Hello, dear students. Good afternoon, everyone. So, guys, from today, for droppers, we are going to have classes, continuous classes, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 2 to 3 p.m. So, for droppers, hello, Suryavamshi. So, for droppers, every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 2 to 3 p.m., we'll have a practice session, guys. Yes, exactly. Sankalp. सब कवर हो जाएगा. Every week one chapter will revise, guys. Every week one chapter practice session. So this week, let's say limits and continuity. Next week, differentiability. After that week, differentiation. After that week, applications of derivatives. So like that, every week we'll discuss one chapter. We'll practice good questions from one chapter. Okay. So first we'll complete calculus. Differential calculus we'll complete it, and then we'll start algebra, and then geometry, and then integral calculus, trigonometry, everything. All chapters will finish it, guys. Okay. So be regular for these classes, guys. Every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Sorry, this is not Friday, guys. This is Saturday. Every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Alternate days, guys. Every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. For droppers, it is like practice session, guys. So we'll discuss more number of problems so that we can revise the entire topic with practice session. Okay. So chalo, guys, let's start then. So guys, let me introduce myself. Myself, Praneet Kalyanam. I'm a maths educator in Unacademy. I have 10 years experience in teaching IIT-JEE maths. So previously I have worked in Narayana China campus, Hyderabad, and Akash, Bangalore. So I am from IIT Roorkee, guys. So chalo then. So guys, already for droppers, there is a course going on in Unacademy. There is a course going on for mains and advanced. So which will complete entire syllabus by mid of Feb. End of Feb will complete the entire syllabus. Okay. So if you want to join this course, you can join Plus platform. You can use this referral code Praneet10. If you use this referral code Praneet10, you'll get 10% discount on 6 months. You can see here 28,000 is there. So if you use this referral code, 10% instant discount, you'll get it. So this is for 1 year and this is for 2 years. Okay. Hello, Sakshi. Right. Chalo, guys. Chalo then. Let's start. So this is the first question we have. This is the first question we have. So directly, if you substitute the limit, how much we getting, guys? If you directly substitute x equals to 0, are we getting 0 by 0 or not? So guys, limits, whenever you get 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, we can apply L-Hospital rule. Apply L-Hospital rule, guys. Apply L-Hospital rule. What is L-Hospital rule, guys? English batch, Sankalp, whatever I have showed you is English batch. So guys, what is L-Hospital rule? According to L-Hospital rule, if limit x is tending to a, f of x by z of x, if it is tending to 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, let's take it as some L, then we can write it as L is equals to limit x is tending to a, numerator differentiation by denominator differentiation. This is called as L-Hospital rule. Okay. So according to this L-Hospital rule, as we are getting already 0 by 0, we can apply L-Hospital rule. So if you apply L-Hospital rule here, limit x is tending to 0, denominator differentiation, anyway 1. And what about numerator differentiation, guys? Numerator, see, can we write this given limit as a limit x is tending to 0? This is a 1 plus x whole power 1 by k minus 1 by x. Can I write it like this? Now tell me, guys, what is the numerator differentiation? 1 by k into 1 plus x whole power 1 by k minus 1 into 1 plus x differentiation, anyway 1 minus 1 differentiation 0. This is what we're getting it. Clear, guys? Now substitute the limit. If you substitute the limit, what we're getting it? If you substitute the limit, 1 by k into 1 plus 0 whole power 1 by k minus 1 or whatever it is. So finally we are getting 1 by k. So that's it. Third option is the answer, guys. Clear now? So we're getting easily 1 by k value. Clear? Chalo. Let's move to the next question, guys. Okay, chalo. Hello, Rohan. Right. So third option is the answer. Already we got it. Now let's move to the second question. Second question, limit x is tending to 1, 2x minus 3 into mod x. So guys, are we getting 0 by 0? If you substitute 1 here, are we getting 0 by 0? Limit x tends to infinite sin x by x. Please guide me. Okay. So limit x tends to 0. Limit x tending to 0. Sin x by x is 1, guys. Whereas limit x is tending to infinite, sin x by x. See, denominator infinite, numerator is what? Sin infinite. What is sin infinite value, guys? Can anyone tell me what is sin infinite? Sin infinite is what, guys? Sin infinite should belongs to any value between minus 1 to 1 only, na? So that means, are we getting finite? Minus 1 to 1 divisible by infinite, we're getting it. So isn't it 0, guys? Isn't it 0? Finite by infinite is what? Numerator is finite. Sin infinite is a finite value. It can be any value. Why? Because sin x value is always lying between minus 1 to 1. So we are getting a finite by infinite. Finite by infinite is always 0. Clear? So sin x by x when x is tending to 0 is becoming 1. Sin x by x when x is tending to infinite is 0. Okay, right. So now, as we are getting 0 by 0, apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. But you don't need to apply L'Hospital rule for entire thing. We are having problem with this particular part, guys. So let's divide the limit. If you divide the limit, what are we getting it? Let's divide the limit into two parts. Limit x is tending to 1, 2x minus 3. You can write it like this. Into limit x is tending to 1, root x minus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 3. This we can write it. So we are having problem with the second part, guys. We are having problem with the second part. This part is becoming like 0 by 0. You apply L'Hospital rule only for the second part. Exactly, correct. Jairaz, you're right. Correct. So guys, we don't have any problem with this. So if you apply limit directly here, 2 minus 3 we are getting it. We don't have any problem. But the second part, as we are getting 0 by 0, apply L'Hospital rule. If you apply L'Hospital rule, so tell me guys, what we get it? Root x differentiation, 1 by 2 root x by denominator differentiation. Now you substitute the limits, guys. If you substitute the limits, 2 minus 3 is anyway minus 1. And if you substitute the limit 1 by 2 by 5, this is what we're getting it. So finally we're getting minus 1 by 10, guys. So minus 1 by 10 is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Paras, got it now? Everyone understood this? Greatest interior function problems, we'll do it, Jairas. We'll do it. We'll do all the problems, okay? So every class we'll try to finish at least 20 to 30 questions so that we get maximum benefit, okay? So chalo guys, let's move to the next question. So second option is the answer. So guys, let's do this question. So this question also, as we're getting 0 by 0, can we apply L'Hospital rule, guys? Apply L'Hospital rule. Let's apply L'Hospital rule, guys. If you apply L'Hospital rule here, limit x is tending to 0. Denominator differentiation anyway 1, guys. Numerator differentiation is what? Isn't it look like 1 plus sin x whole power 1 by 3? Cube root means what? Whole power 1 by 3 only, right? So what is its differentiation? 1 by 3 into 1 plus sin x whole power 1 by 3 minus 1. 1 by 3 minus 1 into sin x differentiation is cos x. So this is what we're getting it. Minus. Same thing. 1 by 3 into 1 minus sin x into whole power 1 by 3 minus 1 into 1 minus sin x differentiation is minus cos x. Now you substitute the limit, guys. You'll get the answer very easily. Okay, Jairaz. Definitely. You can join droppers batch, Excel batch, morning 10 to 11:30. Okay. Right. So guys, now you substitute. If you substitute, let's see what we're getting it. 1 by 3 into. So sine 0 is anyway 0, guys. Sine 0 is anyway 0. This part is anyway 0. So 1 power anything is 1 only. And cos 0 also 1, guys. So 1 we're getting it. Minus 1 by 3 into. So 1 minus 0 whole power anything is 1 only. So minus 1. This is what we're getting it. So finally we're getting 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Which is equals to 2 by 3, guys. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Guys, clear? So most of the problems in limits, we'll get it in the form of 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite. So all these problems can be easily done by using this L'Hospital rule. Clear? Chalo guys, let's move to the next one. Next question. See, this also, it is there in 0 by 0 form, guys. It is there in 0 by 0 form. Apply L'Hospital rule, guys. Okay. So if you apply L'Hospital rule, what we getting, guys? Limit x is tending to 5. Numerator differentiation is what, guys? K into x power k minus 1. Yeah, direct formula also you can apply. Direct formula also there. Guys, there is a direct formula also. We can apply direct formula also. But you don't need to remember any formulas, guys. Most of the formulas, you don't need to remember it. If it is there in 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, directly you can apply L'Hospital rule. You get the answer very easily. Okay. Otherwise, factorization and all this will take a lot of time. Okay. Right. This is what he gave, 500. Now let's substitute the limit, guys. If you substitute the limit, let's see what we get it. If you substitute the limit, k into 5 power k minus 1 is equals to 500, guys. This is what we're getting it. So now you can verify the options. Which option is satisfying? Easily you can verify the options, guys. So let's say if you take k is equals to 4. Suppose if I take k is equals to 4 here. Let's check it whether it is satisfying or not. 4 into 5 cube. 4 into 5 cube is what, guys? So 4 into 125. Yes, we're getting 500. So we can say that k is equals to 4 is the correct answer. Got it now? So easily we get it. Whenever 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, directly you can apply L'Hospital rule and you can get the answer very easily, guys. Got it now? So answer is 4. Right. Chalo, guys. Let's move to the next one. So this is the next question we have. Weightage of limits and continuity in JEE. Okay, compulsory one question you will get it. Agnik. There will be at least one question. 1 or 2 questions you will get it. Okay. Right. So guys, can I write it as square root of x minus 1 into square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 by denominator also square root of x minus 1 into square root of x plus 1. Can we write it like this? Guys, can we write it like this? Now tell me, can we cancel this particular part? Square root of x minus 1, square root of x minus 1, square root of x minus 1 cancelled. Finally, how much we getting, guys? Limit x is tending to 1. Square root of x plus 1 by square root of x plus 1. This is what we're getting. Now substitute the limit. If you substitute the limit, how much we're getting, guys? Root 2 plus 1 by root 2. That is what we're getting. Still we can simplify this. Root 2 by root 2 is 1. 1 by root 2. This is what we're getting it. So first option is the answer, guys. Clear now? Whatever term we are having problem, square root of x minus 1 we are having problem. So that square root of x minus 1 we cancelled it. And the remaining part we are directly substituting the limit, guys. We don't have any problem. Okay. Right. Chalo, guys. Let's move to the next one. So this is the next question we have. Limit x is tending to a power x minus x power a by x power x minus a. So tell me, guys, if you substitute x equals to a here, are we getting 0 by 0? Are we getting 0 by 0, guys, here? Yes, we're getting 0 by 0. So can we apply L'Hospital rule here? Let's apply L'Hospital. Whenever it is 0 by 0, blindly you can apply L'Hospital rule, guys. Apply L'Hospital rule. Yes, exactly. So now if you apply L'Hospital rule here, limit x is tending to a power x differentiation is what, guys? A power x differentiation is a power x into log a. Correct or not? Guys, a power x differentiation is a power x into log a. 2 power x differentiation is 2 power x into log 2. Same way, a power x differentiation is a power x into log a. And x power a differentiation is a into x power a minus 1. And what about denominator, guys? Do you know the differentiation of x power x, guys? X power x differentiation is what? We'll take log on both sides and differentiate it. So this is what we're getting, guys. 1 plus log x we get it. Correct now? Directly you can remember it as a formula, guys. D by dx of x power x equals to x power x into 1 plus log x. You can remember it as a formula. Okay, why? Because instead of calculating every time log and differentiating, instead of that, directly you can remember it as a formula. So now x power x differentiation is x power x into 1 plus log x. This is what we're getting it. Now substitute the limit, guys. If you substitute the limit, a power a into log a minus a into a power a minus 1 by a power a into 1 plus log a. This is what we're getting, guys. Clear? Now from this what we can do is, let's try to simplify this. Let's see what we get it. So a power a, if I take common, so numerator we're getting like a log a minus 1, guys. Why? Because this part is again a power a only. A into a power a minus 1 is a power a only. Clear now? Right. So, and what about denominator? Denominator is also a power a into 1 plus log a, guys. Clear? This is given as a minus 1, but we can cancel these two. We can cancel a power a and a power a got cancelled. Now cross multiply this. If you cross multiply this, log a minus 1 is equals to minus 1 minus log a. This is what we're getting, guys. So minus 1 cancelled. Minus 1 cancelled. Finally 2 log a is equals to 0. That means log a is equals to 0, guys. Log a 0 means a is equals to how much? Log a 0 means a is equals to how much? A is equals to 1, guys. So that means log 1 is always 0. Exactly. So that's what we're getting it. Second option. Isn't it easy, guys? As it is in the form of 0 by 0, we applied L'Hospital rule and we substituted the limit and we are equating it to minus 1. And from this we calculated a value. Got it now? Guys. Chalo. Let's move to the next question. So this is the next question we have. See, we don't have any problem with this, guys. We don't have any problem with this term. We are having problem with this, and we are having problem with this, and we are having problem with this. So what we can do is, you can take that square root of 1 minus x square outside, guys. So if you do that, let's see what we get. We are getting 0 by 0, but blindly applying L'Hospital rule will be lengthy. So let's make some manipulation here. So what we can do is, we can apply limit x is tending to 0, 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into limit x is tending to 0, x into 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square by, see, can I replace sine inverse x with x, guys? Why? Because when limit x is tending to 0, sine inverse x is tending to x, guys. When x is tending to 0, sine inverse x, tan x, sin x, all this will be tending to x. So directly I can replace with x. Can I read it like this? Guys, can I read it like this? Yes. Now tell me, this particular part, whatever this particular part is there, this is 1 only. You don't need to worry about this particular term. So this is directly becoming 1. And the next second term is becoming like 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square by x square. This is what we're getting, guys. Right. So guys, whenever x is tending to 0, sin x can be replaced with x, tan x can be replaced with x, sin inverse x can be replaced with x, tan inverse x can be replaced with x, and e power x minus 1 can be replaced with x, log of 1 plus x can be replaced with x. Same way, sin ax can be replaced with ax. Next, sin square ax can be replaced with ax whole square, guys. It's clear. That means when x is very small, sin x can be replaced with x. Exactly, very small. Got it now? Right. So by using this, we can say that Sine inverse x I replaced with x directly. Sine inverse x cube directly I replaced with x cube. So x cube I got it. Now tell me, isn't it in the form of 0 by 0? Yes, it is in the form of 0 by 0. Now let's apply L'Hospital rule, guys. If you apply L'Hospital rule, limit x is tending to 0. Denominator differentiation is 2x. Numerator differentiation is minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square. Otherwise, you can rationalize also, guys. Rationalizing is also fine. 1 minus x square differentiation is minus 2x. So this is what we're getting, guys. Now you can cancel this. Now you can cancel 2x minus cancelled. So finally how much we're getting it? 1 by 2 into square root of 1 minus 0, which is equals to 1 by 2, guys. So answer should be 1 by 2, second option. Guys, is it clear? Everyone understood this? Right, chalo guys, let's move to the next question. So this is the next question we have. So he is saying it is finite, but numerator already, denominator we're getting 0. That means compulsory, if denominator is 0, numerator also should be 0. Why it should be 0? If denominator is 0 and he is saying this entire limit is finite, so compulsory numerator also should be 0, so that we can able to apply L'Hospital rule. Okay. So as the numerator is equals to 0, let's substitute 0 in the numerator here. So cos 0 plus a cos 0 plus b is equals to 0. So from this we're getting a plus b is equals to minus 1. Now you can verify the options, guys, where we are getting a plus b is equals to minus 1. Only third option. That's it. Third option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? How we calculated the answer very easily. If you equate the numerator to 0, after substituting limit, we should get 0. But if you substitute 0, a plus b is minus 1, we are getting it. In the options, a plus b minus 1, only third option. That's it. Third option is the answer. So, question is over, guys, but let's complete the remaining part also. So, now, as it is coming 0 by 0, we can apply L'Hospital rule, guys. Cos 4x plus a cos 2x plus b by x power 4. As it should be in the form of 0 by 0, apply L'Hospital rule. If you apply L'Hospital rule here, limit x is tending to 0. Right. Substitute x equals to 0 and numerator differentiation is minus 4 into sine 4x plus minus. So here we're getting minus, guys. Minus a into 2 into sine 2x by denominator we're getting 4x cube. Again denominator 0, that means numerator also should be 0, guys. Numerator if you equate it to 0, so numerator 0 means anyway it is becoming 0, but we can replace numerator with minus 4 into 4x, as I told you already. Clear na? Can we use L'Hospital rule? Yes, you can use L'Hospital rule. That's what we are using it na. We are using L'Hospital rule, guys. So now apply L'Hospital rule again, guys. Let's apply L'Hospital rule again. If we use L'Hospital rule again, let's see what we get it. So if you apply L'Hospital rule again, limit x is tending to 0. Numerator we are getting like minus 16 cos 4x minus 4a cos 2x by denominator is like 12x square, guys. So denominator 0, but numerator also should be 0. Now equate numerator to 0, guys. Numerator if you equate it to 0, minus 16 minus 4a is equals to 0. From this a is equals to minus 4. That's it. Once we got a value, directly you can substitute a value here. You get the b value. That's it, guys. Clear na? Everyone understood this question? How we completed this question easily? Right. Chalo, guys, let's move it. Let's move to the next question. Right, this is the next question we have. So it is in the form of secant pi by 2 is how much, guys? What is secant pi by 2? Secant pi by 2 is not defined, guys. Infinite we get it. And what is log 1, guys? Log 1 is 0. So finally it is in the form of infinite into 0, guys. Infinite into 0 we're getting it. Clear now? So infinite into 0, either we should convert it into 0 by 0 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite. We should convert that. But how can we convert this into 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, guys? So maybe we can write it like this. Limit x is tending to 1 log x by cos pi by 2x. Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? Now tell me, guys, is it in the form of 0 by 0 or not? You tell me. Is it in the form of 0 by 0 or not? Yes, it is in 0 by 0 form. Now you can apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule here. Apply L'Hospital rule. So if you apply L'Hospital rule here, let's see what we get it. What we getting is limit x is tending to 1. Numerator differentiation is 1 by x, guys. Denominator differentiation is what? Cos pi by 2x differentiation is minus sine pi by 2x into pi by 2x differentiation is pi by 2. That's what we're getting is. Now substitute the limit. If you substitute the limit, how much we get it? Numerator 1, denominator minus 1 into pi by 2. That means what we're getting is minus 2 by pi we're getting it. So final answer is minus 2 by 5. First option. Clear now? Yes, Jairaj, you're right. Perfect. Guys, clear? How we are getting the answer? Very easily. It is there in the form of infinite into 0. But the answer we converted into 0 by 0 by modifying. How we modified, guys? How we modified is secant pi x by 2 we wrote it as 1 by cos pi x by 2. So now it is in the form of 0 by 0, guys. Why? Because log 1 is 0. Cos pi by 2x. Cos pi by 2x is what, guys? Cos pi by 2x, that means pi by 2. If you substitute x equals to 1, cos pi by 2, 0. So it is getting 0 by 0 form. Now we can apply L'Hospital rule. Guys, is it clear? So can we move to the next one? हिंदी चाहिए, दिलकुश सिंह दिलकुश, तुमको हिंदी चाहिए, ठीक है? चलो गाइस, विल मिक्स थोड़ा सा हिंदी, ठीक है ना? चलो, क्या है ये? माइनस 2 बाई पाई आ गया हमको, सो सेकेंड ऑप्शन है आंसर, ठीक है ना? चलो, सेकेंड ऑप्शन आंसर है. चलो गाइस, और क्या है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस. ओके. लिमिट x is tending to 0 sin x by square root of x square. गाइस, ये स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर क्या होता है? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर क्या है? क्या हम x लिख सकते क्या? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर क्या हम x लिख सकते क्या? नहीं. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज mod x, guys. Square root of x square is mod x. ठीक है ना? चलो. So now square root of x square, if you substitute mod x, we're getting this. Limit x is tending to 0. Sin x by mod x. This is what we're getting, guys. But see, whenever does not exist option is there, guys. Remember carefully. Whenever does not exist option is there. In the options, if does not exist is there, compulsory we need to check left hand limit as well as right hand limit. So क्या है left hand limit? Left hand limit मतलब limit x is tending to 0 minus sin x by mod x. x is tending to 0 minus क्या है? x is slightly less than 0. Slightly less than 0 means what? Negative only, na? Negative. When x is negative, can we replace mod x with minus x? Can I do that? Can I do that? Mod x with minus x? But when x is tending to 0, sin x by x is 1, guys. So are we getting minus 1? So left hand limit we getting minus 1. What about right hand limit, guys? Let's calculate right hand limit. Right hand limit मतलब क्या है? Right hand limit means limit x is tending to 0 plus. 0 plus means what? Slightly more than 0. So slightly more than 0 means sin x by mod x, but mod x can be replaced with x because x is positive. X positive इसलिए mod x we can replace with x. So now we're getting 1. So that means left hand limit and right hand limit is not equal. Exactly, guys. So if left hand limit is not equals to right hand limit, then limit does not exist. Limit does not exist, guys. Clear? Understood now? So we can say that limit does not exist is the answer. Okay. So whenever there is a option called does not exist, compulsory we need to check it, guys. Clear na? Yes, exactly, guys. Chalo guys, let's move to the next question. Everyone understood na? Exactly, correct. Most of the times, whenever does not exist option is there, does not exist option will be the answer. Minus in sign, no. No. Sin x by x, when x is tending to 0. Guys, x is tending to 0 means x can be 0 plus or 0 minus. Guys, clear? Jairas, anything is fine. ठीक है. See, चलो ये देखो, x positive मतलब mod x हम x we can replace mod x with x. X negative, x is tending to 0 minus means what? X negative. X negative means mod x I can replace with minus x. That's it. Very simple, guys. Okay. Chalo. Let's move to the next question. So limit x is tending to 2 plus, guys. 2 plus means can we take 2 plus means can we take approximately 2.000001? Can I take it something like this? 2 plus means what? Slightly more than 2, right? सही है ना? 2 plus मतलब क्या है? 2.0001. So wherever 2 plus is there, directly we'll substitute 2.001, guys. 2.00001 whole cube by 3 minus 2.000001 by 3 whole cube. So tell me, guys, what we get it? This is 2, guys. 2 by 3 minus, tell me, guys, what is this? 2 by 3 is what? 0.66. 0.666 whole cube. So what is this value, guys? 2 by 3 minus 0, which is 2 by 3. Clear now? Oh, right. Here 2 cube is there, guys. So this is 2 cube. Sorry. So total how much we getting, guys? 8 by 3 we are getting, guys. So 8 by 3 is the answer. Third option is the answer. Clear now? So greatest integer function, guys. What is the greatest integer function? So guys, if you don't know about greatest integer function, I'll give you simple examples, guys. Okay, few examples I'll give it. Yeah, that's what. Suryavamsi, greatest integer function of 2.3 is a 2. Whereas greatest integer function of minus 2.3 is minus 3. Greatest integer function of 3 is 3. Greatest integer function of minus 3 is 3. Minus 3. What does that mean? Greatest integer function will give you the integer which is less than or equals to the given integer, guys. That is, let's say, what is the greatest integer less than 2.3? Greatest integer less than 2.3 is 2. What is the greatest integer less than or equals to minus 2.3? Minus 3. What is the greatest integer less than or equals to 3? 3. Got it now? Okay. Yeah, Jairas, we'll do it. We'll do it. Don't worry. Okay. Right. Chalo, guys. Right. So this is the next question, guys. This is the next question. As I already told you, can we write the limit x is tending to 0, 1 minus cos cube x? As we are getting 0 by 0, guys, we can apply L'Hospital rule. But try to make some manipulations here. So can I replace sin 2x with the 2x, guys? Can I replace sin 2x with the 2x? Why? Because whenever x is tending to 0, can I replace sin 2x with the 2x? Clear now? Right. So now you differentiate it, guys. As it is coming 0 by 0 form, apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. If you apply L'Hospital rule, let's see what we get it. This is becoming limit x is tending to 0. Numerator differentiation is what, guys? Minus 3 cos square x into cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Denominator 2x square differentiation is 4x, guys. So now tell me, guys, can we cancel sin x and x. Can we cancel sin x and x? Remaining part you substitute the limit. So 3 by 4 we are getting it, guys. So 3 by 4 is the answer. Clear now? How we got the answer? Because when x is tending to 0, sin x by x is anyway 1, guys. So that's why sin x and x I cancelled. Sin x is nothing but x only when x is tending to 0. So cos 0 is anyway 1. So minus of minus plus. So finally we are getting 3 by 4 is the answer, guys. Clear now? Chalo guys, let's move it. Next question. See, this is like 0 into infinite we are getting, guys. We are getting 0 into infinite we are getting it. So 0 into infinite, either we should convert it into 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite. How can we convert this into 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite, guys? Can we write it as limit x is tending to 1 minus x by cot of pi by 2 into x. Can I write it like this? Guys, can I write it like this? Now tell me, guys, 0 by 0 फॉर्म को हम कन्वर्ट कर दिया, ठीक है ना? So now guys, tell me, is it in the form of 0 by 0? Can we apply L'Hospital rule? Apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule apply कर दो, ठीक है? चलो, if you apply L'Hospital rule here, what we getting, guys? Limit x is tending to 1. Numerator differentiation क्या है? Numerator differentiation -1. और denominator differentiation क्या है? Cot x differentiation क्या है? Cosecant square और minus cosecant square x. Minus cosecant square x pi by 2x into pi by 2x differentiation is pi by 2. यही आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? चलो. So now substitute the limit, guys. If you substitute the limit, minus and minus get cancelled. Cosecant square pi by 2. Cosecant square pi by 2 into 2 by pi. This is what we're getting is. So finally this is anyway 1. So 2 by pi we get it. So answer is 2 by pi, guys. Fourth option आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? चक्रवर्ती, जयराज. See, we can't take tan pi x by 2 as pi x by 2. That is only when x is tending to 0. Jairaj. ठीक है सूर्यवंशी. So guys, समझ गए ना? कोई डाउट्स हैं क्या? चलो, let's move to the next question, guys. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So फोर्थ ऑप्शन आ रहा है. देखो, ये क्या है? ये भी 0 by 0 आ रहा है भाई. ये भी 0 by 0 आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? सो ये तो 0 by 0 आ रहा है. अप्लाई L'Hospital रूल हियर. Apply L'Hospital rule. If you apply L'Hospital rule, so guys, every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 2 to 3 p.m. Aryan, every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 3 days a week, 2 to 3 p.m. I'll be live. Clear? Right. So now apply L'Hospital rule here, guys. If you apply L'Hospital rule here, कितना आ रहा है न्यूमरेटर? न्यूमरेटर डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है? न्यूमरेटर डिफरेंशिएशन 3 cos x minus root 3 into minus sin x, guys. Minus of minus, it will become plus. Now denominator differentiation कितना है? 6. Now substitute the limit, guys. If you substitute the limits, कितना आ रहा है? If you substitute the limit, 3 into cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 कितना है? root 3 by 2. और रूट 3 इंटू साइन एक्स कितना है? साइन पाई बाई 6 कितना है? 1 बाई 2. और क्या है? 6. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई करो, कितना आ रहा है? रूट 3 बाई 2 कॉमन ले लो. रूट 3 बाई 2 इंटू 4 बाई 6, यही आ रहा है. सो दैट इज 2 रूट 3 बाई 6, गाइस. सो स्टिल वी कैन सिंप्लीफाई दिस. कितना आ रहा है? 1 बाई रूट 3 वी गेटिंग, गाइस. 1 बाई रूट 3 आ रहा है. सेकेंड ऑप्शन. समझ गए ना? चलो गाइस, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज आंसर. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स मूव. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गाइस. कितना आ रहा है? आर वी गेटिंग 0 by 0, गाइस? आर वी गेटिंग 0 by 0? अदरवाइज हम एक सब्स्टिट्यूशन ले सकते, क्या सब्स्टिट्यूशन ले सकते, पाई बाई टू माइनस एक्स को y ले लेंगे और y pi by 2 minus x tending to 0, so y is tending to 0. So wherever x is there, guys, wherever x is there, you can replace with the pi by 2 minus y, guys. So limit x is tending to pi by 2 means pi by 2 minus x is tending to 0 only. That means y is tending to 0 only. So can I write it as y is tending to 0? ठीक है ना. So y is tending to 0. और क्या है, cot in place of x can we substitute pi by 2 minus y. चलो ठीक है, cos pi by 2 minus y. ठीक है, और डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, डिनोमिनेटर y क्यूब. सो कितना आ रहा है, लिमिट y is tending to 0. ठीक है ना, y is tending to 0 और न्यूमरेटर क्या है, cot pi by 2 minus y, tan y आ रहा है और ये sin y बन गया और डिनोमिनेटर y क्यूब. ठीक है ना. चलो अब एल हॉस्पिटल रूल अप्लाई करो क्योंकि ये 0 by 0 है ना. लेट्स अप्लाई एल हॉस्पिटल रूल गाइस हियर. इफ यू अप्लाई एल हॉस्पिटल रूल हियर, लिमिट y is tending to 0, न्यूमरेटर डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है, secant स्क्वायर y माइनस sin y डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है, cos y. ये आ रहा है 3y स्क्वायर. अगेन यू अप्लाई एल हॉस्पिटल रूल क्योंकि अगेन 0 by 0. ठीक है ना. चलो again you apply L hospital rule guys. L hospital rule if you apply again, what we getting it, limit y is tending to 0. कितना आ रहा है, secant square y का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है, 2 secant y into secant y tan y guys. Why? Because secant y differentiation is again secant y tan y minus of minus sin y by 6y. So now tell me guys, can we cancel tan y y, sin y y, can we cancel this? If you cancel this, how much we getting guys, we're getting it something like this. Now apply the limit, 2 plus 1 by 6 which is equals to 1 by 2 guys. So final answer is 1 by 2. So second option is answer. ठीक है ना guys, ठीक है ना. Understood guys? Okay, Jairas, you can search my name in Telegram, Praneet Sir. You can search my name in Telegram, Praneet Sir. You'll get the Telegram group. Okay na, Jairas? You can message me. Right. So guys, answer is second option. Or 16th question. 16th question, are we getting 0 by 0 guys? Are we getting 0 by 0? Can we apply L hospital rule? Let's apply L hospital rule guys. Apply L hospital rule. If you apply L hospital rule, कितना आ रहा है, limit x is tending to 0. Numerator differentiation is what? 4 times secant 4x differentiation is secant 4x into tan 4x minus 2 times secant 2x into tan 2x by how much we getting guys? 3 times secant 3x into tan 3x minus कितना आ रहा है, secant x tan x. यही है ना, राइट. सो नाउ गाइज टेल मी, when x is tending to 0, tan 4x can I replace with 4x, tan 3x can I replace with 3x, tan x can I replace with x, tan 2x can I replace with 2x? Can I do that? If I do that, is x is getting cancelled or not? Everywhere x is getting cancelled or not guys? So finally what I am getting it guys, finally I am getting 16 secant 0 minus 4 times secant 0 by 9 times secant 0 after applying limit guys, secant 0. This is what we are getting guys. So finally secant 0 is anyway 1 So 16 minus 4 by 9 minus 1 we are getting it, which is 12 by 8. So 12 by 8 is what? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 we are getting it. So first option is the answer, guys. Clear now? Jairaj? Not 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Got it? First option is the answer. Simple, very simple. As it is in the form of 0 by 0, we are applying L'Hospital rule here. And tan 4x I am replacing with 4x. Yeah, anything is fine. Whatever method you want, you can do it. This is not the only method we have. There are so many methods are there. This is one of the method. Okay. So chalo guys, let's move it. So this is mains 2014 question, guys. So what we can do is, as we are getting 0 by 0 form, can we apply L'Hospital rule? Let's apply L'Hospital rule. If you apply L'Hospital rule here, what we getting it? Limit x is tending to 0. Sine of something differentiation is cos of something into that something differentiation. That means pi cos x square differentiation is pi into 2 cos x into minus sine x. This is what we're getting it. By denominator 2x, guys. Now tell me, guys, can we cancel this sine x and x? Because when x is tending to 0, sine x by x is 1. Na? When x is tending to 0, sin x by x is anyway 1 only. So 2 and 2 also got cancelled, guys. 2 and 2 also got cancelled. Clear? Now substitute the minus and minus also cancelled. Na? There is no minus, right? Right, that's it. So now substitute the limit, guys. If you substitute the limit, how much we getting, guys? So here we getting cos of pi into cos square 0, anyway 1, into pi into so next cos 0 is anyway 1 into minus 1. That's it. This is what we're getting, guys. So how much we're getting, guys? Plus pi we're getting it. Clear now? Why? Because cos pi is minus 1, minus of minus plus. Clear now? So we're getting plus pi. Second option is the answer. Guys, clear? Chalo, let's move to the next question, guys. This is the next question we have. So guys, can we convert everything in terms of 2 power x? Can we convert everything in terms of 2 power x? This is like 8 by 2 power x minus 6 by, this is like 1 by square root of 2 power x minus 2 by 2 power x. Can we write it like this? Now can I take 2 power x equals to t or something? Can I take 2 power x equals to t? If I take 2 power x equals to t and x is tending to 2, so 2 power x is tending to 4, guys. So that means finally t is tending to 4. So now let's change the limit. If you change the limits, limit t is tending to 4, t plus 8 by t minus 6 by 1 by root t minus 2 by t. Multiply with t, guys. Multiply with the t. If you multiply with the t, both the numerator and denominator, if you multiply with the t, limit t is tending to 4. T square minus 6t plus 8 by root t minus 2 we are getting, guys. So are we getting 0 by 0, guys? Are we getting 0 by 0 or not? Are we getting 0 by 0? Yes, we are getting 0 by 0. Apply L'Hospital rule. Limit t tends to 4. Numerator differentiation is what, guys? 2t minus 6 है ना? Numerator differentiation 2t minus 6 आ रहा है. t square का differentiation 2t है और 60 का differentiation 6 है. और denominator differentiation क्या है? Guys, denominator differentiation क्या है? root t का differentiation क्या है? 1 by 2 root t है ना? चलो अब substitute करो 4 और substitute करो 4 कितना आ रहा है? 8 minus 6 2 आ रहा है और डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? डिनोमिनेटर 1 by 4 आ रहा है. 2 by 1 by 4 कितना है? 8 है. सो आंसर 8 है. ठीक है ना? समझ गया? प्रियांशु, जयराज, सूर्यवंशी कितना आ रहा है? 2 by 1 by 4, 2 by 1 by 4 8 बन गया. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड ना? राइट, चलो गाइस. So second option is the answer, guys. Okay, right. Chalo guys, let's move to the next question. So tell me, guys, are we getting 0 by 0? Here, if you substitute x equals to 0, are we getting 0 by 0 or not? If it is 0 by 0, can we apply L'Hospital rule here? Let's apply L'Hospital rule here. If you apply L'Hospital rule here, limit x is tending to 0. E power x differentiation is e power x only. Sin x differentiation is cos x only. And log 1 plus x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x. Now substitute the limit. E power 0 plus cos 0. How much, guys? Isn't it 2? Yes. So 2 is answer. Guys, is it clear? Very easy. So, fourth option we're getting, guys. Got it now? Right, exactly. What you're saying, differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. We took it, na, Jairas? We took it now, 1 by 2 root x. You're still talking about previous question only. Right. Chalo, guys, that's what we got it. So now let's move to the 20th question, guys. So 20th question, can I replace tan x with x, guys? Otherwise, you can do like this also. Multiply and divide with x. Anyway, this is 1. So finally, what we're getting, guys? Limit x is tending to 0. 10 power x minus 2 power x minus 5 power x plus 1 by x square. Can I write it like this? Now, can I apply L'Hospital rule? Guys, can we apply L'Hospital rule? Otherwise, you can split it like this, guys. You can split it like this. Limit x is tending to 0. Can we write numerator as 2 power x minus 1 into 5 power x minus 1 by x by x? Can I write it like this? Guys, can I write it like this? So now tell me, guys, this is separate formula and this is separate formula. What is it, guys? This is nothing but log 2 only. What about this? This is nothing but log 5 only, guys. So finally we are getting the answer log 2 into log 5. That's it. Or, guys, or. So we have this formula, guys. If you want, you can remember this formula. Limit x is tending to 0. A power x minus 1 by x is equals to log a. So this is the formula we have. Simple. We are applying L'Hospital. Offline padana chata hu. Okay. See, you can watch my all classes in Unacademy, guys. In Unacademy, I am taking batches for plus students. Free classes I am taking it. YouTube classes I am taking it. Special classes I am taking it. Okay. So morning 10 to 12 I am taking for repeaters. I am taking Excel batch. Fir se. Okay, sure. Mayank, we'll discuss this question again. So this can be written as, can we written 10 power x in minus 2 power x, can be written as 2 power x into 5 power x minus 2 power x minus 5 power x plus 1. Can we write this part as 2 power x minus 1 into 5 power x minus 1? Can we write it like this? Can we factorize like this, Mayank? क्या हम ऐसे factorize कर सकते क्या? 10 power x क्या हम 2 power x into 5 power x ऐसे लिख सकते क्या? ठीक है ना? और क्या है? 2 power x minus 1 into 5 power x minus 1. Okay, चलो. 10 power x, can I write it as 2 power x into 5 power x or not? AB whole power m is equals to a power m into b power m only, na? By using that, can we write 10 power x as 2 power x into 5 power x? So this 10 power x minus 2 power x minus 5 power x plus 1 can be written as 2 power x into 5 power x minus 2 power x minus 5 power x plus 1. Can we able to write it like this? 2 power x minus 1 into 5 power x minus 1. Can we able to factorize it like this? Clear, na? I have taken plus subscription by arranging money in very difficult ways. See, Jairas, if you want to join plus platform, you can use my referral code Praneet10. If you want to join plus platform, plus subscription, if you want to take, you can use this referral code and join plus platform. If you are not able to pay the money, you don't want to pay the money. So what you can do is, You can watch the YouTube sessions, you can watch the special classes. Okay, in free platform you can learn it, but definitely there is a difference between free platform and paid platform. That means a plus platform. Okay, in plus platform all the classes are systematic courses you'll have. Okay, so but still if you are not able to pay it, you can use this facility of free platform. Okay, right. Everyone understood this question? Chalo guys, let's move to the next question. So this is the next question we have, 21st question. Right, so can we write this as, if you multiply and divide with 1 by d, let's see what we get it. If you multiply and divide with 1 by d, let's see what we will get it, guys. Can we write numerator as 1 by d into limit x is tending to infinite 1 by a minus 1 by a plus d? Can I write it like this? Log 2 into log 5. Okay. See, this is 0 by 0 form, guys. This is becoming like 0 by 0 form. This is becoming like 0 by 0. Apply L'Hospital rule. So 2 power x differentiation is 2 power x log 2. By denominator differentiation 1. Now substitute the limit. It is becoming log 2 only. So I can say that this is equals to log 2 and this is equals to log 5. Clear now? Otherwise, you can remember this formula. Limit x is tending to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is equals to log a. Simple. How we got this formula is by applying L'Hospital rule and substituting x equals to 0. Simple. Clear? Right. Chalo guys. Let's move to the next one. So now tell me guys, can we write it like this? Can we write the first term as like this? Same way, second term, can I write it like this? 1 by a plus d minus 1 by a plus 2d. Can we write it like this? Which formula you want? Limit x is tending to 0. A power x minus 1 by x. As it is coming 0 by 0. Apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x is tending to 0. Denominator differentiation 1. Numerator differentiation is a power x into log a, guys. Now substitute the limit. How much we getting, guys? A power 0 is anyway 1. Log a we are getting it. This is not a formula, Mayank. Isn't it? So it's a simple result. If you don't remember the formula, just apply L'Hospital rule, you will get it. So guys, clear? So now what is the third term, guys? Can we simplify the third term? Third term is what? Third term is 1 by a plus 2d minus 1 by a plus 3d, like this. Like this, so on up to infinite terms, guys. Why? Because n is tending to infinite, no? So on up to infinite terms. Now tell me, guys, can we cancel all these terms? All these terms, alternating terms are getting cancelled, guys. All these terms are getting cancelled. Finally, what we getting it? 1 by d into 1 by a, which is equals to 1 by ad. 1 by ad आ रहा है, fourth option आ रहा है. ठीक है ना, guys? कैसे आ गया 1 by ad? सबको समझ गए ना? क्या हम और एक क्वेश्चन कर सकते क्या? One more question, guys. 2 minutes there. We'll discuss one more question. Guys, clear? Right. Chalo, guys. So this is the next question we have. So guys, if you substitute n is equals to infinite here, isn't it going to be infinite ZP? Isn't it going to be infinite ZP? What is the formula for infinite ZP, guys? Infinite ZP formula is क्या है? A by 1 minus R. Infinite ZP formula is A by 1 minus R. That means A plus AR square plus so on up to infinite is equals to A by 1 minus R. यही है ना फॉर्मूला? इनफाइनाइट जीपी का फॉर्मूला यही है ना? सो ठीक है, न्यूमरेटर सिंपलीफाई करो. न्यूमरेटर क्या है? देखो न्यूमरेटर यही आ रहा है 1 प्लस 1/2 प्लस 1/4 प्लस सो ऑन अप टू इनफाइनाइट. डिनोमिनेटर यही आ रहा है 1 प्लस 1/3 प्लस 1/3 स्क्वायर प्लस सो ऑन अप टू इनफाइनाइट यही आ रहा है. सो ये कितना है ये बाई 1 माइनस 1/2. वाई बिकॉज हियर कॉमन रेशियो इज 1/2 गैस. हियर कॉमन रेशियो इज 1/3. ठीक है ना. Okay, Jairaj, greatest interior function of sin x by x you want. Okay, sure. After this question, 1 minus 1/3. देखो कितना आ रहा है. One second, guys. Here I did mistake here. 1/1 minus 1/3. So numerator is like 1/1/2. Denominator is like 1/2/3. So कितना आ रहा है 2/3/2 we're getting it. So total how much we're getting it 4/3 we're getting it. So 4/3 is the answer. Clear na? So guys, everyone understood this question? Okay. So Jairaj is asking greatest integer function of sin x by x when x is tending to 0. That's what he's asking. Limit x is tending to 0. What is the greatest integer function of sin x by x? This is what he's asking. Guys, clear? So guys, limit x is tending to 0, sin x by x is 1. Okay. So that what is the meaning of this? When x is tending to 0, sin x is approximately equals to x. When x is tending to 0, sin x is approximately equals to x. But actually sin x is slightly less than x, guys. That means sin x by x is approximately equals to 0.999 or something. Sin x by x value is slightly less than 1. Why? Because sin x is less than x slightly. So sin x by x is slightly less than 1. So this is going to be limit x is tending to 0. Greatest integer function of 0.999 or something. So how much we getting is? Are we getting 0 or not? What is the greatest integer function of 0.9999? Isn't it 0, guys? Yes, exactly. So that's what we're getting, guys. Limit x is tending to 0. Greatest integer function of sin x by x. Okay. So guys, don't worry about these results. We'll discuss these results in the next class. Next class we'll discuss so many problems, different models we'll discuss. So next class will be on Thursday, guys. That is a day after tomorrow, 2 to 3 p.m. Okay. So see you everyone at 2 to 3 p.m. day after tomorrow, guys. Okay. So फिर मिलेंगे. Yeah, it's 0, guys. Limit x is tending to 0. Greatest integer function of sin x by x is 0. Got it? Chalo, guys. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay. So guys, let me tell you one thing. Remaining 8 questions are there. You need to complete these 8 questions. Okay. So take the screenshots, guys. This is one question. Take the screenshot, or you can pass it and pause the video and you can complete it. Okay. So next 24th question. This is the next question we have. And this is the next question we have, 25th one. And this is the next question we have, 26th one. Otherwise, we'll do the remaining questions tomorrow also, we'll do it. Okay. That is the day after tomorrow, we'll do it anyway. Yeah, this is the 28th question, guys. You can pause the video and you can copy it. Okay. Right. Chalo, guys. So you want book for maths? Okay. You can take R.D. Sharma objective, you can take it. Okay. Right. So guys, these are the questions we have. Right. That's it, guys. Okay. So see you then. See you on day after tomorrow, same time, 2 to 3 p.m. So next class will be day after tomorrow. Okay. So 2 to 3 p.m. guys. Chalo, guys. Okay. Right. Chalo, guys. Bye-bye. I have a doubt in a problem. Will you explain from limits? Yeah, definitely. Samba Shiva Reddy, daily you come, alternate days. Every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday we'll have 2 to 3 p.m. YouTube session we have. So whatever doubts you have, you can ask. Okay? Right. Chalo, guys. See you then, everyone.